How to change Instagram chat theme to the love theme. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change it. So watch this video till the very end for that. Firstly, open your Instagram, but before that make sure that your Instagram is already updated to the latest version so that you won't miss out any new features on Instagram. If you have already done so, then you can open your Instagram, go to the chat section, and then you can simply tap on your profile and choose any chat person that you want to chat with and change your theme for. Now go to the profile, just tap on the name and you will see options like this and also see the theme option. Just tap on the theme option. So Instagram does not have the feature for you to select search for the theme, so you should search for the themes that it's similar to love. So if you want it pinkish, then you can just set it to rose and it will look something like this. And if you don't like it, then you can again change your theme by going to the theme option and check the similar theme related to love. Scroll down and you will see the very option of love right here, which is written. Now go back and you can see that your chat theme is already converted to the love theme. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.